Di.
Mga kapatid, alam niyo po ba na maliban sa pag-inom ng 8 glasses of water a day, mainam din ang tubig sa pagtanggal ng stress at anxiety. Nako, excited na akong alamin at subukan ang hydrotherapy massage. Naririnig ko pa lang ang tunog ng tubig, para na akong nare-relax at hinihele. At bago pa ako makatalon sa pool, nakipagtsikahan muna tayo sa kanilang branch manager na si Mira. Miss Mira, nag-open po yung una yung branch noong 2005. Sa ngayon po, nasa ilang branches na ang Ace Water Spa?
As of this moment po, we have 2 branches po of Ace Water Spa. The one is in Quezon City po, which is our first branch. Then the second one is here in Pasig.
Ano po yung kahalagahan ng hydrotherapy massage?
The hydrotherapy massage kasi ma'am, we uses ultrasonic jet system, which yun po yung nagmamassage ng different areas of the bodies po. One of the benefits po is a good blood circulation po. And then it removes toxins in our body, which promotes also parang remove fats, oils, and then slimming of the body.
Bukod dito, tinatanggal din nito ang ating pagod at stress. Pinapalakas ang ating metabolism at pati na ang ating immune system.
Both manual and hydro massage, it gives relaxations to our guests. But the difference of Ace Water Spa po or hydro massage, it's a do-it-yourself massage po. Our guest has a freedom to choose ano po ba yung mga specific areas or talagang areas of their bodies na nangangailangan ng massage po.
Excited din akong lumublob sa kanilang hot herbal pools at pagpawisan sa steam at sauna. Ang kanilang spa supervisor na si Abner, binigyan muna ako ng tips.
While using the hot pool, ma'am, mas maganda nakatouch yung batok natin sa
Bakal?
para mag-normal circulation ng blood natin. After using ng hot pool, advisable din na mag-dip tayo sa cold pool. While using a cold pool, nagko-close yung pores natin before tayo mag-transfer to other hot pool area. Ito naman yung steam room natin, ma'am. Nagre-range yung temperature nito sa 45 to 50 degrees Celsius.
Wow.
No? So, papawisan talaga kayo. Then, after nyo dito, advisable use is 2 minutes. Pero kung kaya nyo, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, then again, dip to cold pool.
At eto na! Ang sarap naman talaga sa pakiramdam. Ilan sa mga paborito ko ay ang bubble bed, rainfall acupuncture, at high pressure massage. Sa halagang 600 pesos, abay 4 na oras mo nang ma-enjoy ang wet and dry facilities ng Ace Water Spa. Safe na safe ka rin dito dahil ang lifeguards nila, certified first aiders.
For those who would like to try and visit us, we have branches in Quezon City and Pasig branch. You can check out our social media accounts through Facebook and Instagram. We cater mga corporate bookings po for team buildings. We offer team buildings, may mga activities po kami na pinaprovide. Also, we currently have parang water Zumba. So relaxing and so refreshing. Kaya naman po, subukan nyo na ang iba't ibang klaseng water massage dito sa Ace Water Spa. Pwedeng pang me time at pwede rin pong pang family bonding. Mga kapatid, Maui David po. Simula ng inyong araw na may alam at may pakialam sa mga may init at umaaksyong balita sa bansa. Para maging una sa balitaan, mag-subscribe at mag-follow sa social media pages ng News 5.
Happy birthday, Dad.
Mga Cinema Square. Okay din. Okay. Right side. Emers, happy birthday, my daddy. Mapo tofu. Lomi. Crab fuyang. Crab rice. Like the food, di? Sarap.
Sarap.
Steve. Legendary place.
Charity sa magkatrabaho.
Happy birthday, Daddy. Birthday noodles. I brought this from Emmer, legendary Chinese food store in Pati Cinema Square. Then basmati rice sinangag. It's nice. And leftover mapo tofu. And then, what's this? Beef and broccoli. Assorted vegetables. Lemon chicken. And then mommy bought, very nice to buy it. Pancit malabon. Pancit palabok. Malabon. Crab fuyang. It's nice, no? And then mommy cook. Very nice. Oh, look at that combination. Seafood things. And cake. Happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Sunny. Hep hep. Hooray. Hep hep.
Hooray!
Hep hep.
Hooray!
All the best. Happy birthday, Sunny. Okay. Make a wish and blow the cake, the candle.
Yay!
Happy
What is what my member? Happy birthday. Hello there. Nice food. Pantry.
Ang dami nakapila dito. Sa palabo.
Tama na pala mo.